Thank you, Honorable Deputy Speaker. The REACH project is a REACH is short form for Rights, Empowerment and Cohesion for Rural and Urban Fijians program. Honorable Deputy Speaker, since its inception in 2015, the Ministry has been conducting outreach, the taking out of government services and key social, economic and legal services to Fijians living in rural and semi-urban and maritime communities. Honorable Deputy Speaker, there's a number of institutions that are members of the key REACH core team. These include the Legal Aid Commission, the Fiji Human Rights and Anti-Discrimination Commission. There's also the Reproductive and Family Health Association of Fiji. Depending on the communities that we visit, we are also in partnership with the Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development and also the Ministry of Itauke Affairs. Honorable Deputy Speaker, the REACH project has progressed immensely since its inception in 2015 after the commissioning of 3 custom-made buses, mobile delivery buses, service delivery buses, in 2017, Honorable Deputy Speaker. Until 31st December 2017, from 2015, 13,446 Fijians have been served through awareness raising, and a further 17,110 Fijians have actually been able to access government services and legal socio-economic services. Honorable Deputy Speaker, REACH has also been able to undertake awareness raising and service delivery in 677 communities, 113 districts, and the 14 provinces, including Rotuma, Honorable Deputy Speaker. Through REACH, children and adults have been able to get registered for the first time in the births register. This obviously takes care of unregistered members, the huge number of unregistered Fijians that live in rural communities and who have faced challenges in accessing the main centers for birth registration. Honorable Deputy Speaker, since the inception of REACH, we've also had 4 marriages in these mobile service delivery buses in the rural areas. Honorable Deputy Speaker, that in a nutshell is an update on the REACH program, its purpose and its achievements to date. Thank you.